Beneath our feet lies a world hidden from view. In the glow of sunlight, a single grain of soil reveals complexity and depth, an entire universe in miniature. Magnified beyond the eye's reach, the grain's inner world appears. Mineral fragments, quartz, feldspar, make a sparkle among delicate layers of clay. These create a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, setting the stage for life's foundations. Within these spaces, life thrives. Nematodes glide through moist passageways. Rotifers spin, filtering particles, while clusters of bacteria break down organic matter. Along root hairs, these organisms interact, feeding, competing, and building the richness of the soil. Journeying deeper, the camera follows a root hair through a shimmering tunnel. Fungal mycelium forms threads that link roots, sharing water and nutrients. This partnership, ancient and essential, supports forests and fields above. Decomposing leaves fragment and shift. Microbes swarm, transforming decay into nourishment. Every grain, every reaction, drives the endless cycle that sustains all living things. The view pulls back. The single grain joins billions, forming the foundation of landscapes, forests, rivers, mountains. To understand the vitality of our world, we must first look within the soil. Here beneath our feet lies the key to understanding Earth itself.